Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to treat your dry scalp, dermatitis, and all that good stuff. Of course, it kind of faded away, but you know, like the itch of your skin is still there. Sometimes you get irritated, things like that, and it just flare back up. So it never completely goes away. It just, you can get some lotion that'll work good for it, but it's never going to go away. So you can always have those flare-ups. I really didn't have it on my scalp. I didn't get it on my scalp until 2014, that fall. I went to school. And it was like the water was just different. And then on down, I started to get real bad dry scalp. Like flake. Like you would see flakes in my head. And my sister had it really bad and I used to make fun of her. Like, girl, did you wash your hair? Now, God don't like ugly and karma. What goes around comes around. Now look at me with the same. So, I was like, at first I thought it was something wrong with me. I thought I had got an infection in my scalp when I was getting my hair did. I'm like, this bitch, they fucked up my scalp, doing my hair and all that. In all reality, it was seborrheic dermatitis. I didn't find a solution until like around September-ish. I was watching a video on how to wash your locks the proper way and all that stuff. And that's how I just stumbled across this video. And then that's how I got an idea of what I wanted to do. So I'm gonna leave her link in the description box so you guys can check her video out, because that's how I stumbled across this solution. But some of the stuff she uses in the video I did not use, so I tried to substitute what I had.
So these are the items you're gonna need to follow along with this video. You're gonna need some shampoo, it doesn't matter what kind, apple cider vinegar. You're gonna need some purified water, tea tree oil, in the empty applicator bottle. You can get that from Walmart, the beauty supply store.
Pour your water in. Now, I don't do measurements. I just go off of what I feel is right. So if you come here looking for measurements, you're on the wrong channel. You need to leave. I think I'm gonna add a little more. And us African American people, baby, please. You think we follow instructions? We do it from the heart. You need only a little bit of this, not a lot. You use this, the way I do it, every time I was getting my hair did, before I go to my hair appointment, I will put this in my hair like an hour before, or I leave it in overnight. I will rub it in there. I put it all over. Hell, I mean, you can put it on the ends if you want, but I didn't do all that. I just put it. Really, you gotta treat the scalp. You really gotta treat it. So I'm massaging it, just rubbing it. And I will do this every time before I go to my hair appointment. I stopped using this around probably like November, I don't know. But this really helped. Like, you start to see the difference. Like, you know how caked up your hair usually be? You will see a complete 360. Ooh, my hand's so damn blue, I might drop this. I was a little shaky on there. This is basically, I'll say, a pre-poo. A few drops. And it's like just real gunky, like, cause it's the same stuff that I use in the same bottle. You just shake it up. You see, it's gonna look like that. It stink a little bit, but that don't matter. Your scalp gonna get treated. You just get it all in there. You feel the difference. Like, as you putting it in there, you're like, wow.
Don't scratch. Please. Please, 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 please.
Do not scratch your scalp. You are putting all kind of stuff in here that's gonna fucking burn, basically. Let me know if it works for y'all. Just do it every time before you wash your hair. Before you wash your hair, just use it right before it. And let it sit in there for like about an hour or 30 minutes. Or hell, like sometimes if I don't have time, I do it the night before and let it just sit in my hair and then wash it out before she washed my hair. But you would totally, over time, you would see it. But what I would say is I would continue to use this, but I wouldn't use it like every time. So what I'm saying is I see a difference. So I took a step back on using it. I didn't use it this time. The last 2 times I went to go get my hair did, I didn't use it. So this time I will. And when I'm saying it because our body get used to stuff like this. Whether it be medicine, anything, your body get immune to it, and you gotta try to change the whole solution. You think you found it, and then you gotta change it. So just try it out and let me know if you guys like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for spending your little time with me. I really appreciate it. And let me know if you guys have any other ideas on videos. Help your girl out. What y'all want to see? Y'all the audience. I'm doing this for y'all. Cause it's somebody out there like me, be like, damn, my scalp's so bad, I'm so embarrassed. Really, you feel, ooh, okay. I hope I don't break none, you know what I'm saying? Cause we ain't got no money to pay. Stop recording.